Hi guys, welcome to Divine Angels, and today we are doing a reading for 29th of December to 4th of Jan 2015. Happy New Year to everyone, and today hopefully the reading will be beautiful as it is, and it's always helpful in guiding us. So let's see what's in store for us for the end of this month and the beginning of the new year. Okay, so today I'm guided to use Doric Virtue Angel Therapy Oracle card deck. Sorry, I don't have the deck right now with me. This is a guidebook, and Doric Virtue always give guidebooks with all the decks. So, sometimes you can read this and see what the card is saying for you. So that's it. So I'm going to shuffle. And I'm asking the angels to come down and give beautiful readings to my people, whoever are watching this video, for 29th December till 4th of Jan 2015. Okay, let me just lay out the cards. That's beautiful. First card up, second card, and the last card. So Monday, Tuesday we have Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael is an angel of healing, and basically he's an angel, who will help you with healing work and all. If you are a healer, so definitely you can go for healing work if you're a healer. If not, this is a general card for people, because this mostly says like as you're going through this new year. So I guess you must be making new resolution for yourself, and I think one or two would be eating healthy food or exercising, or eating proper diet. The new year would be nice for you to quit smoking, drinking, or start exercising or something. So Archangel Raphael is here. You can always call upon him and ask him to give you guidance so that you can stop doing what you don't want to do, and you can follow the healthy diet for yourself, or you can start exercising. So you can always call him and ask for that, and pay attention to your diet, and definitely you can do it. Start making those small changes. Start stop drinking or stop smoking, what you want to do as you're entering this new year, and it will be helpful for you and for your body. Or start exercising. That's what Raphael is here for, and he's telling you that. So you can call him and definitely ask him what to do, and tell him to guide you and help you. He will. The next card up is books. Basically, when you're making these healthy food changes, the angels are saying that you might be guided to some books. You might go to a bookstore, or the book will fall from the shelf, or you are guided to go and pick up some books which would be right for you. Not necessarily they would be related to the same topic that you're worried about. It could be something else, but then definitely those books will lead you for a healthy food change in your life. So make sure you do this, and it can also mean the people who are aspiring to write books, or aspiring to write something. It could be spiritual books, or it could be normal books. Whatever you want to write it down, it's the time for you to take the pen in your hand and move forward. So this is the time. Definitely New Year will bring you lot of courage and confidence. The angels will shower upon you, and you can go forward and write your books, whatever you want to write. And also make sure you pay attention to the books, or people might gift you some books which could help you help you to go towards healthy full life. So that's the second card. And for the weekend, you are a powerful light worker. This is a beautiful card to come for the brand new week, and definitely we are in the next year, that's 2015, and this is going to be a very good year. It would be better than 2014, as the energies have been shifting and towards positive. And the angels are telling everyone that you are a powerful light worker. You may not be a healer, you may not be a reader, you may not be spiritually connected at all, but You must be a normal man living a normal life or normal woman living a normal life. But there is a powerful source in you. There is a light and love in you, and you just have to bring it out and shine your light, because you are created in the divine source. You are created through the God power, and everybody has it, no matter what. You don't need to be a healer, reader, or anything related, any person who is related to spirituality, but you know you are a spirit in the body. So you are a powerful light worker. Wherever you go, just give a smile, try to help people, be kind and be gentle, and spread your light. And when you act in divine love, definitely you will shine, and definitely you will help others just through your light, by doing nothing but just spreading your light and love towards others. So this is a beautiful, beautiful message to get for the new year, and this is the start of the new year. And what is better than God and angels telling us that you are a powerful light worker, and just shine your brilliant light and love in the world, and make the world a better place, not just for you but for everyone, even the birds and animals and the trees and the earth, and for yourself, of course, because everything is energy, and once you shine and lift somebody's life, you lift your life as well. So that's a beautiful card, and that's the reading from Divine Angels. You have a beautiful, 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 again I'm saying beautiful new year, and the blessings are there from the angels for this new year. Let it get you a lot of success, and let all your dreams come true, whatever you're wishing for. Have courage, have motivation, have power, as you are powerful light worker. Have your own power, personal power as well, and divine love and divine power, and move towards direction of a positive direction, and definitely you will succeed and make the world a better place. So that's the message from Divine Angels. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.